Yo, I did it. You will do it. Let's make this money together. Yes, we can do it. We can make money from print on demand. We can make money selling t-shirts online. If you believe me, hit the subscribe button. If you believe in yourself, like this video. Without wasting much of your time, I'll go straight right to today's video. My name is David Isamoje. If you are just joining me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on daily t-shirt design videos. As you can see, I have over 55 episodes on my channels already. Canva T Shirt Design, Photoshop T Shirt Design. Anyone you wish to watch, you have a lot to go around. So just grab a cup of tea or cup of coffee, any which one you really prefer, with some cookies, and let's get straight right to it. So today we are using canva.com. This design is going to be based on canva.com, as you can see. So it's an online design software or app or site. Site should be the best word to use. So without wasting much of the time, click on create a design. Custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400. Please follow me to the end. Don't click off of this video. Somebody just wanted to click off. Yes, you don't click off. Follow me to the end of this video if you really want to learn to create designs that make you money on Match by Amazon, Redbubble, T-Public, Teespring, and so on and so forth. So the standard is pixel. This is the standard. Make sure your own setting is always like this. Then you click on create. You should open a new tab, and this is where the magic happens. Funny enough, your design does not need to be complicated. Every design I do it under 10 minutes, and I can prove that to you today without wasting much of your time. I will prove that to you. Even after my lot of talking and introducing myself, I can still design under 10 minutes. So let's set challenge, look at your time, and let's go. So you go to upload an image or video, pictures, rabbit. So these are design. This is the design we're going to use. This is the design we're going to use. So you see it's loading. So we are going to wait for it to load. As you can see, it's a design already made for myself already. I did every bit of the design myself, as you can see. So I didn't just get it from somewhere. Yeah, I got the rabbit from somewhere, but you already know, if you've watched my video, you know where I get this element from. But the design, the effects, I did it myself. So that's what we are using in today's video, as you can see. So wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, we'll send it over to our layer. This is a layer, and that's where we'll continue from where we stop. So we'll just wait for it to finish, and when it's done, we'll continue. So we're done with the upload. Now we just click on it once. It's going to appear here, as you can see. So now you can see it's really small, and you don't want it to be super small on your shirt. So you just move your mouse to one of these edges, and you just left click and drag outwards to increase. And when you are done, you just over your mouse to this rabbit, and you move your mouse, pressing your left mouse button as usual. So now we're trying to center it to the middle. As you can see here, we got it there. That is it. So leave it. Now the next step is to save it. As you can see, we won't be able to save this. We won't be able to save this in PNG because it's a try version, or try Canva Pro. So if you need Canva Pro where you'll be able to remove the background, then you need to get Canva Pro. If you need it, you just let me know in the comments. But if you don't need it, you're good to go. You can just work on your designs, but just note you have to put it on white background. And if you want your design to be on black, then you have to change the background to black. It's as simple as that. But if you stick around, in the second step, I'm going to show you how to do that in Photoshop. If you already have Photoshop, super cool. If you don't have it, you can download it. I'll show you how to remove the background in Photoshop. So follow me. So we'll just save this. Just save this, prepare now, download. Once it's done saving, it should appear here. So just wait for it to finish. So see, it's downloading. See, it's downloaded. So always make sure you check your downloads after you finish, just to make sure there's no error, and just make sure you don't by mistakenly delete your design. So this is it, as you can see. Now I'm going to right click, open with Photoshop. This is the stage you don't want to miss. Opening with Photoshop now. I want to remove the white background, as you can see. So I'm going to come to this folded paper. It gives me a new layer, so I'll click on it once, create new layer. That's what it says. As you can see, if I put my mouse on it, it's going to tell me create a new layer. So we've created a new layer. Now we'll now click on layer 0, which is our design layer, as you can see. Then we'll go over to our magic word tool, which is this tool that looks like a magic stick. You just click on it, click on the white background, and you press delete. Press delete. You notice there's still white on the eye, so you just press again and press delete. So now we'll have all the whites out. So the next step is for us to save it. As you can see, it has not taken us a lot of time. Our design is super ready already, but this is not the final step. This is the second to the last step. I'll take you to the last step. So now you have to just save this, save as. Make sure you save as. It says rabbit, yeah. Make sure you save it as PNG because you don't want the white background, so you save it as PNG. Click on save, press OK. Now for the final step, we'll just go back to pictures, mockup, the anger mockup. If you check my channel, you would have seen that I've been using this for quite a long time. It's one of my best. I always enjoy using it. So now you can see how did I get here. I'll do that again. You see it shows me your design goes here. If you're looking for it, you can just right click on this and you see that your design here. You double tap, so it has told you to double tap. So now you show your design here. You just double tap, you should open a new layer. This is your design, so you delete this design and bring in your new design. So I already have my design. So I'll just, this is it, rabbit 5. So I'll just bring it into this path, into this layer. As you can see, into this layer, press enter. I'll go to file and save. I hope you've been following me and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As you can see, we've saved it on the shirt, so we can just move this around just to make sure we place it properly. As you can see, so I want to change the color of the shirt. As you can see, t-shirt black. If I put this off, I have a white t-shirt. If I put it back on, I have a black t-shirt. So now I'll just want to change it to something different. So I'll just double tap and just play around with the colors. I think I like this, but it's pink. Might not get enough people to click on that. Can't make it that color either. It's purple, orange. Yeah, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. So we can just press OK. So we have that color. Now we just save this. Now once we save this, we'll be able to use this on. So we'll save as picture rabbit 5. Save it as JPEG. Now that we've done this, we can, once we've uploaded our designs to Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, we can now promote with influencers on Instagram, run Facebook ads if you want to. If you don't run Facebook ads, you have to give your design time to be on the platform for them to start promoting it. But if you have the money to run ads at first, once you make your 5-4 sales, they will automatically kick in their promotions for you because they start to trust your account. So with that said, you just have to either save this and send it to your influencer, whatever influencer you found and you want to use, bargain well, and you can use influencer. It didn't take us too much time, and you can see we are close to our 10 minutes mark, and it didn't take us a lot of time to do this. So let me just save this. Okay, I think I saved it. Let's remember what I told you, always check to make sure your design is saved. So you see, this is it. This is our design. So you see our design is saved. So now let me show you where I got the rabbit from, just in case you are wondering. I'll go to a site called Flat Icons. Always remember to give credit. It's very important. Remember to give credit. Then you search for what you're looking for. For me, it's rabbit. Always remember to give credit. Once you click on an element you want to use, just ensure you give credit to the owners. You can find so many designs. You don't need to copy my design, because if you copy my design straight right from the beginning, you get suspended on print on demand site, so you don't want to do that. So I advise you just create your own design. So this was the design I got. Let's click on it so that we can see the credit who we're giving the credit to. So if you click on download, it should tell you, see, this is the owner, Monkey. So always make sure you give credits. If you are doing a video, make sure you give them credits, and all, if you are putting it in your design, make sure you put credits in your description so that they know you are the ones. So if you want to watch more, as you can see, it took us, as you saw, it took us 9 minutes plus. So if you want to watch more, check to your right, you see the playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and please share, like, and most especially show me love by subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow. One love.